the background panoramic video set up for you. G'day.
You can't say that on YouTube, mate.
I think it's not going on the Wooby tubes.
I can bleep it out.
Get a little dolphin sound over it.
Look at his head. Look at he's doing them. Alright, welcome back to another episode of RICHO'S Customs. Today we are removing the clapped old cook springs out of my MIDI and we're putting in a full ARB 2-inch lift kit with everything, U-bolts, shockies, steering dampener, everything. So, gonna get this thing on the hoist and rip it all apart and see if we can put it back together the same. We've got PJ here, he's helping. And then afterwards we're gonna go BCFing fun. We've got his tinny, my tinny, and a couple lemon squashes that we might delete. So, should be a good day. So here's the lift kit. We've got 4 springs, eventually, some shockies, bushes, greasable shackles, all that good stuff, a bit of grease, and all new U-bolts for the dog to go in. As you can see, the thing actually has about a 1.5 inch sag to the left. Like, she's pretty sad. All the springs are really, really old and cooked in this thing, so it's about time I got some love, especially being on 33s. Good lift kit should actually be pretty mint on the dog. One eternity later, we finally have one spring out. Anyone that's probably worked on Land Cruiser before knows these dogs are impossible to get out, but finally we've got the dog out with lots of beating, heat and grinding. So PJ's prepping up the new dog ready to go in. And I'm going to wire wheel that and get that all clean and give it a bit of paint. But one down. Good to see you paying attention. Good to see your dribbling shit. Wheels are going on. Fronts together. I reckon she's going to be pretty tough. As soon as it's on the ground we can bung the shocks back in, but look at all these shiny bits, all greased. That is a lift kit. Oof. Wow, that is much taller now. Nice. Righto, after a couple of beers in a couple of hours, the mid-wheel base is fully kitted out with the ARB 2-inch lift kit. It actually all fitted up pretty well, apart from the 36-year-old rusted in pins. They were an absolute dog. Pretty much had to cut every U-bolt and every bush out, but new ones now have greasable links, which means they won't seize up ever again. So, just gonna put the wheels on, and she's back on the ground, ready to go for a drive. Right, gonna put the dog down, and once it's on the ground, we will check tighten all the other bolts, because once you lower it, all the geometry and shit changes, and tensions change. So, we've got to put the dog down. Yeah, wow. That is tough. That's a tough stato. Oh. Tough. Alright, the MIDI's back together. Full ARB 2-inch lift kit's back in. And she is pretty tough. It's definitely a hell of a lot tougher. Sags a bit less. Could do with airbags, but it is much better. and a bit safer now too. Steering damper as well. Also put all new tie rod ends in too, so should drive like a new beast, I reckon. So got the boat connected up and gonna go for a bit of a test drive. So far these springs feel so much better. You can definitely tell it's a lot higher off the ground. It's a lot harder to get into, and just going over bumps, it is so much nicer and comfier, and you can tell it flex more. So keen to flex it up, have a few beers, put the boat in, go for a bit of an afternoon send, a couple beers, and should be a good afternoon, I reckon. Just bloody testing out the suspension scansion. PJ's in front of us in his FJ73 with his boat as well. This is our private little spot in Yamba, just outside Queensland, Rockhampton. It's pretty nice. Just had a bit of rain, so it's all green, and I'm sure the river's probably flowing a bit. Also, if you've seen my TikTok, this is where I flooded my Land Cruiser and got like 3 million views on TikTok, so this has got a special place in my heart. At the secret setup spot, which isn't a secret anymore because there's about 8,000 bogans here, but it's a bit unfortunate. But got the tinnies, got the Fitzroy River, got beers in the fridge. Pretty damn good setup. Suspension actually went really well. I do like it. Definitely worth a suspension upgrade. Jack from ARB Rockhampton hooked me up with the deal. She is an absolute rip. So definitely the go-to, I reckon. Autofocus, am I focused in the shot?
Yes. 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 Okay, you're ready.
It should go beep. Anyways, alright, we are on the Fitzroy River enjoying a few lemon squashes after installing the Land Cruiser suspension. Special thanks to Jack from ARB Rockhampton for hooking us up with his suspension. Thanks to PJ for helping me install it, and we're gonna enjoy a couple lemon squashes on the beautiful Fitzroy River before the sun goes down. So thanks for watching. Rocky Nats is coming up very soon, so stick around and we'll see you on another video. So like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Cheers.